Kusama is one such organization that offers numerous answers for its clients, bringing different blockchains on one brought-together organization. Transcending as a spearheading project executed on a shared organization, Kusama has massive advantages to offer viz. Shared security of transfer chains and parachains, including flawless administration. The upgraded framework permits bountiful functionalities of marking and operability as approved by designers. Kusama's local token is KSM, which plans three primary purposes: administration over the organization, marking, and holding, contrasted with different tokens. Before we start with unprejudiced Kusama cost forecast, really take a look at complete coin outline. Kusama, KSM, specialized examination. The fruitful eco of Kusama drifted in 2019 October was met with thundering achievement, and it raised more than $140 million, selling north of 10 million KSM supply. While during the send-off, the cost of Kusama was exchanging around at $1.50, the broker's buy pattern carried it to a degree of $62 toward the finish of 2020. To make the most dependable Kusama cost expectations, one of the main advances is to examine KSM's previous exhibition. Soon after KSM showed up on the trade, its most memorable huge flood came. Around April and May, its cost rose from $2 to $7, an extensive leap that mirrored an enormous measure of early financial backers' revenue in the digital money market examination. Among October and December 2020, its cost jumped up from $27 to $62. Shockingly, starting from the start of this current year, the cost of the Kusama coin has displayed an uncommon change, fluctuating between $70 to $623. Thus the cost of Kusama acquired financial backer certainty, and the coin saw an extraordinary flood in energy. Somewhat recently, Kusama enrolled its new all-time high of $623. Nonetheless, subsequent to hitting an ATH, the KSM token confronted a critical value drop to $262. A great deal of exchanges happened, and cash changed hands, as indicated by information. Kusama figures, market feeling. Kusama cost is as of now moving around $130.02, and the coin has a market capitalization of $1,109,168,389.32 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $54,281,778.32. The coursing supply of 8,470,098 KSM. In light of our Kusama, KSM, cost conjecture, a drawn-out increment is normal. The cost guess for 2026 is $641.560. With a 5-year speculation, the income is supposed to be around plus 393.8%. The Kusama cost is waged to reach $107.531 by the start of December 2022. The normal most extreme cost is $134.414, least cost $91.401. By January 2023 end, it ought to effectively swing around $120.826, making it a wise venture. The cost of Kusama could fall dramatically in the impending years. Kusama has been giving a positive indication. As indicated by our expectation benefits, the future cost of the KSM/USD is waged at $847.492102, 592.877%, following a year. A great deal of Kusama projects are moving from the idea stage to the testing stage, and before the year's over, a lot of tasks would have been finished. Subsequently, an inside and out bullish conjecture of $24,074,377.60, making it a beneficial speculation by 2022 end. Kusama value expectation 2022. Keeping up couple with a similar bullish cost pattern, there are expectations that the KSM cost is ready for a rise even in the year next, i.e., 2022. Keeping in context the series of successive pinnacles and box, the Kusama cost just shows a positive pattern among the retreating pandemic situation, contacting the $184.21 mark. Kusama value expectation 2023. Going by concentrating on more limited and longer value patterns and figure information, KSM cost has been deviating from its way regularly every several years. So going ahead, almost certainly, the finish of 2022 or the year 2023 may not be ideal for KSM cost for raising, particularly with rivals finding intensity or markets playing find the stowaway. There is an anticipated possibility of KSM cost causing a misfortune, however just small, dropping to $214.04 once more. In any case, this stays as a negative situation, and a few specialists disagree with this disorder. Kusama Value Forecast 2024. There is no such thing as expressing that a stunning chance and that bulls will ride the crypto market. It is by and by expected in view of the figure that KSM cost will govern the crypto realm, with a presentation of most exorbitant cost fixed at $243.90, which shows KSM cost can possibly support as well as reliably fill even in unfavorable circumstances, as conceded by the Organization of Online Entertainment Channels. Kusama Value Expectation 2025. This year could stamp as the benchmark year, as KSM cost is anticipated to outperform $281.89 definitely. This year, no critical elements like pandemic or downturn are supposed to shake the underlying foundations of world economies, and it is normal that the vast majority of the harm done would be making a course for fix work coming soon for every single world economy. KSM is assessed to stretch around $225–285 by 2025, in light of our figures with mass reception. Kusama Value Forecast 2026. The crypto projections and forecasts from that point forward have begun floating towards idealism instead of cynicism. The KSM cost expectation for this entire year remains very reassuring, expressing that KSM cost could exchange around the $257.78 mark. Might I at any point bring in cash with KSM? For sure yes. As indicated by our conjectures, Kusama is certainly a productive speculation for what's in store. Since Kusama is only a couple of years old, its most minimal cost execution also has not been frustrating. The development in KSM cost can be followed constantly for an upturn. Financial backers are encouraged to do their own estimations and examination from Google or specialists' reports following the market gauge for KSM tokens in the genuine climate. For what reason is the Kusama token cost rising? The credit for that goes to the confidence financial backers have rested in the resource, as it shows a long-haul procuring potential contrasted with different coins in light of blockchain like Bitcoin and so